Here's my first Gen Raptor, 12th Gen F150. And one problem that I haven't fixed yet since I bought it in 2025 is a blown tweeter on the A-pillar trim. I did find another tweeter that I'm going to put in there, but we're going to see real quick if I can get this A-pillar trim right here off the vehicle without all the difficulty that I've seen on some of the forums. Let's check it out. So in the forums I mentioned, people are saying it's difficult to get this A-pillar trim out. That's the tweeter I got to replace. And one guy said you just put your fingers behind here and it pops straight out. Let's see. Oh, it popped pretty good. And I've got some extra wires back here because this has got an additional security system. But there's the clip that comes out, and that's kind of a standard clip that I've seen. Goes in that slot right there. But there's my tweeter, and I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and get that out and replaced, and hopefully it's going to sound better. I had to pull the side panel out because it looks like somebody that owned this before me had put an aftermarket tweeter in there. I don't know why. Maybe it does sound better when it's working, but I want to go ahead and go back to OEM, which means I might have to go with OEM on the passenger side as well. But fortunately, they didn't cut the connector, so I'm going to disconnect the connector, cut the zip tie, and get the wiring out, and hopefully the new tweeter will connect up and work properly. By the way, I don't even know what this is. I wonder if that's part of the security system. I don't know. So I'm just going to worry about the speaker right now and then move on from there. Got the tweeter in, and you can see why they think it's left and right. These wires should be pointing down, but it doesn't make a difference, does it? As long as the connector is the appropriate connector, and it looks like it is. So now I can get the old wiring out, the old speaker that's hanging here. Got the speaker wire connected, so the connector is identical. It's just a little tight, but not too much so. And this looks like it's a Director Electronics 506T. I don't know what this is. Maybe if one of you know what it is, you can drop me a comment. I'm gonna look it up online, and I'll leave something in the description of the video. I figured out what this device is. It adds capability to either Python or Viper security systems, and in general, it triggers the alarm by sensing glass break or metal on glass impacts. Anyway, super easy. Just got to put this panel back on, and she's done. And hopefully that tweeter sounds a lot better, which I'm sure it will. Thanks for watching.